Oops! Wondering what eye look to wear on a romantic date night or a party night? Then this soft sparkly glam eye look is just for you with some easy steps. So let's dig into the video. At first, I'm starting with priming my eyelids with Lakme Absolute Mousse Concealer in shade Honey, and instead of a brush or sponge, I'm using my fingers to blend it. It has an unique powder-like consistency after blending, and in my opinion, it is best blended when used fingers. Then using a small powder brush from Lakme F004, I am lightly dusting a loose powder from K Beauty in shade Vanilla. Using the shade Pure Soul from Makeup Revolution London, Patricia Bright Rich in Life, I am going to cover my eyelids. It's a rusty, terracotta kinda shade with a hint of pink in it. Here, I'm using a tapered blending brush from Pac to place the color onto my lids and then blend it further. Make sure to use little amount at a time and build the intensity slowly, or else it may look patchy. After placing the shade onto my lids, I am blending it in my crease by circular motions. Then taking the shade Booked and Busy, which is a lighter, warm-toned brown shade, I am diffusing the edges. It will work as a transition shade and also will add warmth into the look. I am extending the shadow to flick it a bit. Then, with a precision brush from Pac, I am going to use the same brown terracotta shade throughout my lower lash line. And lastly, blending everything again with a blending brush. In my waterline, I'm gonna be using a brown eyeliner. This one's from Lakme Iconic in shade Classic Brown. To smoke out the brown liner, I will be using the shade Jet Setter, which is a chocolatey kind of shade. Here, you can use black liner and eyeshadow. but to keep it bit muted, it will go with brown shades. And finally, using my fingers, I'm gonna apply the shade Diamonds 4 Breakfast, mainly focusing in the central part of my lids. Again, using the light brown shade in my crease, I will intensify and make sure no hard edges are left. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna be using the light shade called Natural Glam. And for inner corners, I will be using the shade Shine In, which is a golden shade. Lastly, curling my lashes, I will be coating my lashes with a coat of mascara. Do not forget to coat your lower lashes too. Oops! Look at that oh no face! We are all familiar with this situation when we smear our mascara accidentally. But do not worry, let it dry and using a spoolie to brush it off, apply some concealer and tada! It's gone! See? Such a happy face. For my falsies, I'm using Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes and pinching it with my original lashes. And here's the finished look. Hope you like this look, and if yes, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Like and share too. Bye bye.